Hi, I'm David Goldman with Zodiac Pool Systems. Today we're introducing ZodiaiAquaLink 2.0, the easiest to install web-enabled control system for pool and spas. What separates ZodiaiAquaLink 2.0 from all other web-based control systems, as well as from our previous generation ZodiaiAquaLink, is the fact that it's really easy to install. With ZodiaiAquaLink 2.0, the system communicates directly with the homeowner's routers, regardless of whether it's an old router or a new router, whether it's 802.11b, G, N, AC. The system is compatible with pretty much all routers that are available either at retail or which come from the user's internet service provider. The product also features WPS Wi-Fi protected setup capability. What that means is you can connect the ZodiaiAquaLink 2.0 to the homeowner's router without having to enter a single piece of information. Using WPS Wi-Fi setup technology, the process is extremely easy to get a fast, secure connection between the homeowner's router and the ZodiaiAquaLink 2.0. Once the system is wired in, you simply go to the back of the router, press the WPS button on the back of their router, and then within 5 minutes, you'll press the WPS button on the ZodiaiAquaLink 2.0. Immediately, they'll start communicating with each other. They'll perform an electronic handshake, exchange a secure passphrase, and then start communicating with each other. This will eliminate any need for the installer to perform any data entry processes or use any extra tools to get the system set up. What this means to the installer is a more reliable, faster, secure setup between the two Wi-Fi devices. One of the other technologies that we introduce with ZodiaiAquaLink 2.0 is Wi-Fi hotspot capability. With this capability, what we do is we simply put the unit in learning mode by switching the wired Wi-Fi switch, by toggling it and putting it in Wi-Fi. From there, what we do is we go into the Wi-Fi settings of any smart device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, e-reader, it could be a laptop. And what we're going to do is the ZodiaiAquaLink device actually acts as if it is an internet access point. In this case, this ZodiaiAquaLink, the last 3 digits of the device number are C5P. So we're going to look for ZodiaiAquaLink C5P. When we go to connect to that network, essentially what the ZodiaiAquaLink 2.0 is going to do is going to serve up a web page to my smart device. In doing so, it's going to tell me all of the routers that it sees. So in this case, if I want to connect to this D-Link router, for example, or this Apple router, I will simply go here. I don't have to enter the SSID. I will simply type in the password. So in this case, I have a secure password with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And I hit OK. And that's all the data entry that's required in order to program ZodiaiAquaLink 2.0 with the credentials it needs to then get online with the homeowner's router, regardless of which router they're using. This eliminates a lot of the data entry, it eliminates a lot of the potential for error, and it makes the install process much faster and much more reliable for the dealer installer who's previously sold ZodiaiAquaLink. So ZodiaiAquaLink 2.0 really delivers a much improved install experience versus the previous generation, which already was a best-in-class install process in the industry. For more information, please go to the web to ZodiaiAquaLink.com, where we have a lot of information about the product, how you can find a dealer, and exactly how the product works. Thank you.